Hello, boys and girls. Welcome back with the second puzzle. Second puzzle. In today's daily additional of the daily newspaper on Monday, November the 8th, 2021. Yeah, I've already solved one puzzle. Two puzzles are left: the tectonic with 4 stars and a binary puzzle. First, we will solve this baby. Number 3653. 53. And what kind of binary puzzle is this one? Let me count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. It's an 8 by 8 binary puzzle. That means in a row or in a column there are always 4 ones and 4 O's. So let's get started. Double 1 here and O there no. Double 1 here and O there no. Double O here 1 there 1. Double 1 here and O there no. Double O here 1 there 1. Double 1 here and O there no. Between 2 ones comes an O. Between 2 ones comes an O. Now we have 4 O's. So the rest are ones. Double 1 here and O there no. Double O here 1 there 1. Double O here 1 there 1. Now we have 4 ones. So the rest are O's. Double O here 1 there 1. 4 ones we have here. So the rest are O's. Double O here 1 there 1. Double O here 1 there 1. Double 1 here no there no. Double 1 here no there no. Then. Yeah. 1, 2, 3. 3 ones. If I place number 4 here, then we have 3 O's in a row in this row. Not allow one of the rules. So this cannot be a 1. This should be an O. Now we have a 4. Now we have 4 O's. So the rest are ones. Okay. 4 ones we have here. So the rest are O's. Alright. 1, 2, 3. 3 O's. If I place number 4 here, then we have 3 ones in a row in this row. Not allow one of the rules. So this cannot be an O. This should be a 1. Okay. 1. Let me see. I think we need to compare. Yes. How about this column and the second second column. Empty box. 1. 1. Empty box. So we need to switch these 2 digits. We have a 1 here. This should be an O. We have an O there. This should be a 1. 4 ones we have here. So the rest are O's. Double O here 1 there 1. Between 2 ones comes an O. Double O here 1 there 1. Well. Need to compare again. How about this column and that column? Yeah. All right. Let me compare. 1. Empty box 1. So we need to switch these 2 digits. We have a 1 here. This should be an O. We have an O there. This should be a 1. 4 ones we have here. So the rest are O's. 4 O's we have here. So the rest are ones. Between 2 O's comes in 1. Now we have 4 ones. So the rest are O's. Here we have 4 O's. So the rest are ones. Here we have 4 ones. So the rest are O's. Finish in 4 minutes. All right. Great binary. And I like this one. Yes, I really do. Do you think so? Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it all solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you later with the last puzzle of today in this additional so see you then. Bye bye for now.